a man who is not an Ojanamo, a spiritualist, an Akajiofo, is deceiving. He is not holding up his own end of the bargain to his wife. He should go and carry belly so that his wife will become the Ojanamo. A woman cannot disrespect in deep, right? She cannot disrespect her Akajiofo husband. She cannot, because a woman is a woman, and there are other things I have to learn aside the aspect of the spiritual aspect. You also have to, you are still a human being. To be a master, right? You have to still learn the physical aspects if you're going to be a master of both worlds. But a woman is not going to disrespect her Akajiofo husband, because if she knows the things that he used to that he was, right? Things that he fights, in go respect him. I'm not even married. I don't have that responsibility yet, and the things that I have to, the things that I pay for the people that I am currently tasked with being the Akajiofo, right? Yeah. The things now for it. You imagine? So it lets me talk less of people who don't day into commercial DBI in full time, right? Family every night they fight war. They fight people, they pull up on them. You're saying they go like they see things, you know what I'm saying? So the role of Nwoke in a union is the Akajiofo. So if you are still figuring out being the Akajiofo of your wife, right? You can use my new song, Unwoto. It starts with Asa. Put the more for the next 3 minutes. So you already know that when you say that, when you tell her Budebeke go more, you're about to elevate her spirit, talk to her more. Yagazi. Bye back, you get Simeno wine. Maka, Mano, so I'm going to eat you on the wine. I'm going to so I'm not